How to update location on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Inside the Settings menu, go to your Apple account which displays your name. This takes you to the Apple account screen. Scroll down to Find and tap on Media and Purchases. As you can see, a pop-up will appear and from the options tap on View Account. Here, find and tap on the Country Region option. Select your new country from the list that appears. On this page, you can view a list of all the available countries and regions. Choose the one you want to update your location to. Review the information on the next screen and then tap on Continue. Following these steps, you can easily update the location on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.